Microsoft Store. How can I prevent unauthorized person from buying games on Microsoft Store account? To prevent unauthorized purchases on your Microsoft Store account, you can set it to require a password every time a purchase is made. This adds an extra layer of security and helps ensure that only those with the password can complete a transaction. Here's how you can set this up. 1. For Windows 11, open the Microsoft Store app. Select Profile in the upper right corner of your screen. Choose App Settings. Turn off Purchase Sign In. 2. For Xbox One console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Go to Profile and System Settings, Account Sign In, Security and PIN. Select Create My PIN. Enter a 6-digit PIN, and then re-enter the PIN to confirm. By requiring a password or PIN, you can help prevent accidental or unauthorized purchases from your account. Additionally, if you have children or other family members who use your device, consider setting up family groups or child accounts, which allow you to manage purchase approvals and add funds to their accounts. Remember to keep your password and PIN secure and not to share them with anyone you do not trust with making purchases on your account. If you suspect any unauthorized activity, be sure to change your password immediately and check for any unexpected charges.